action. Hey,
So-
Scotty, what are you doing?
We have the new cable in,
This side's all done and nice and pretty. Oh, look at you.
routed like it's supposed to be,
That's beautiful.
and clipped. Now,
The second Rusty Crusty.
yep.
Rusty Crusty.
Yeah, this is pretty nasty.
Not as gross as the other one. 'cause
No, the
this
other
is
one,
side that-
was completely.
This is the side that actually kind of moved, sort of. Scotty, you gotta quit staying up late and servicing the military.
You're getting a little too old to partying like a rock star, okay?
Says who?
Says your body.
Well, you can't really argue that one. So, I'll get this one yanked out, and the new cable we have right there. This one's going to be short and sweet. I'm tired. The heat's really, really getting to me.
It is not nice today.
No.
It's not. The humidity is what's killing me today. But yeah, Joey, we'll get y'all taken care of, get y'all set. And love, babe.
And we'll check back in here in a little bit. Hey, is that the bracket?
Yep.
You're pulling out the bracket. Are you pulling out? Oh, yeah. Alright, getting that.
And then I'll grab the inside one so I can undo its locking portion and just start getting this disconnected. Because I've already got 3/4 of this taken care of. You'll just yank it out.
Nice. Good job, Scotty. Keep digging.